What if holding perfectly still is the fastest way to rebuild real strength after 50? Not lifting heavier, not grinding out endless reps, just 5 specific positions, held with everything you have. Shaolin monks figured this out centuries ago. And a 2025 systematic review published in the Journal of Science and Medicine in Sport, analyzing 32 studies and 621 participants, just confirmed what they already knew. Isometric training significantly outperformed traditional dynamic resistance training for strength gains. This is the science behind what the monks built their bodies on. Today, you're getting 6 of those exact holds, 0 weights, 0 joint damage, and the kind of strength most people assume they've permanently lost. Welcome back to Bloom Late. Drop your age below. I want to know who's training with me today. Here's what's actually happening in your body after 50 that nobody explains properly. Your deep muscle fibers aren't gone. They're disconnected. Your nervous system has quietly stopped recruiting them because you stopped giving it a reason to. And that's the real problem. Not age. Disconnection. Isometric holds force your nervous system to wake those fibers back up, all of them, at once, without moving a single joint. That's why they work when nothing else does. We're starting with the horse stance. And this is the foundation everything else is built on. Step your feet wider than shoulder width, toes turned slightly out, and sink your hips until your thighs are parallel to the floor. Keep your chest open, spine tall, and push your knees outward so they track directly over your toes. Your quads, glutes, and inner thighs are all firing simultaneously at the exact angle where most people are weakest, around 90 degrees of knee flexion. That's not a coincidence. That's the point. Shaolin monks hold this for 3, 5, even 10 minutes. You're going to start with 30 seconds. If your form breaks, you're done. Build to a minute, then 2. When your legs are shaking and your mind is telling you to stop, that's exactly where the real adaptation begins. Once your foundation is locked in, your body is ready to connect everything above it. That's where the hollow body hold comes in. And this one is not about six-pack muscles. It's about building a structural corset around your entire spine. Lie on your back. Press your lower back so firmly into the floor there's no gap at all. Squeeze your glutes, straighten your legs, and hover them a few inches off the ground, reaching your arms back past your ears. The moment your lower back lifts, stop. You've lost the hold. That non-negotiable lower back press is what forces your deep transverse abdominis to fire, the muscle that actually protects your spine from the inside. Too difficult at first. Bend your knees to 90 degrees and just hover your arms. 3 sets of 15 to 30 seconds. Build from there. The research on isometric core training consistently links this type of hold to reduced chronic lower back pain and improved spinal stability under load. Third, the wall sit. You've probably done this before and dismissed it as basic. Hold one properly for 90 seconds and then tell me it's basic. Lean your back flat against a wall, slide down until your thighs are exactly parallel to the floor, heels pressing into the ground, back glued to the wall from tailbone to shoulders. Unlike the horse stance, the wall removes balance and core from the equation entirely, sending every bit of tension directly into your legs. There is nowhere to hide. Your quads are fighting to hold the position. Your tendons and ligaments around your knee are being strengthened without a single inch of impact. Start with 30 seconds. Your real target is 2 minutes of shaking, mental battle, full commitment. Fourth, the bear crawl hold, which is where your whole body learns to work as one unit instead of disconnected parts. Get on all fours, wrists under your shoulders, knees under your hips. Brace your core like we did in the hollow body hold. Tuck your toes and lift your knees exactly 1 inch off the floor. Freeze. Keep your back completely flat, not sagging, not rounding, flat. If you placed a glass of water on your lower back, it should not spill. You'll feel your quads, shoulders, and core light up immediately. This teaches your nervous system to maintain full body tension simultaneously, exactly the skill that prevents the random pulled muscles that come from daily life catching you off guard. 3 sets of 15 to 30 seconds, building toward 60. Fifth, the Superman hold, targeting everything on the backside of your body. that desk posture and daily life quietly switches off. Lie face down, arms stretched overhead. Lift your arms, chest, and legs off the floor at the same time, forming a shallow arc. Your lower back, glutes, hamstrings, and upper back are all contracting hard just to keep you off the ground. This is the direct antidote to the hunched forward position most people over 50 live in all day. Start with 15 to 20 second holds. By your second set, your entire posterior chain will be burning. 3 to 4 sets with a minute of rest between them. And finally, the wall push. The overcoming isometric that old-time strongmen and Shaolin monks used before modern gyms existed. Stand facing a solid wall, hands placed at chest height. Now push outward with everything you have, genuinely trying to push the wall over. The wall doesn't move. Your muscles fire at 100% capacity. Research confirms that maximum effort overcoming isometrics like this trigger serious strength and tendon adaptation specifically because your body produces maximum tension with zero movement and zero joint compression. 6 sets of 10 seconds each, full effort, breathing throughout. Here's your complete Shaolin routine. Horse stance for your foundation. Hollow body hold for your spine. Wall sit for your knees and legs. Bear crawl hold for full body integration. Superman hold for your posterior chain. Wall push for raw upper body power. 5 minutes daily, done properly, and research says your strength will respond faster than you expect. Hit like if this opened your eyes, subscribe for more, and tell me below which of these 6 your body needs most right now.